Appearing on MSNBC on Sunday morning, two of the survivors of the horrific shooting at Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School and Ashworth for Education Secretary Betsy DeVos and revealed she secretly lurked around their campus and intruded on private counseling session during a highly publicized photo-op visit to the school. Speaking with Enjoy host Joy Reid, student Jacqueline Corinne and Ryan Dietz rolled their eyes when asked about testimony given by DeVos to a Senate panel, where the education secretary admitted that she was not looking into gun violence as part of her school safety study. I have to let you to respond to Betsy DeVos, the Secretary of Education, Reid began. I wanted to give you guys a chance to respond to her. She was at a hearing and she was asked by Senator Patrick Leahy of Vermont whether or not her study of gun violence in schools will include guns. Ultimately, Betsy DeVos needs to understand that there have been over 20 school shootings in 2018 alone, and the for Secretary of Education failed to recognize the role that guns play in our schools. She doesn't represent the students of America, Corinne replied. Detchad a harsher take and a personal story to share. He lost all respect for MS. DeVos after she visited our tragedy, he recalled. She came in one morning to secretly to just lurk the hall. He was a part of the school TV production program and he had to film her going about this. She would whisper to staff members. She would sit down with grieving students when they were in a private counseling session, fully breaking the privacy session that the students needed after they lost their friends. I just can't respect that she couldn't even look at one of the leading causes of just in schools, which shouldn't be a classic thing in America, he continued. This shouldn't be a classic thing in the 21st century that we're talking about how many kids are dying in schools and